In this lesson, I will show you how you hack websites through command prompt. So to hack a website, the command prompt, you use an attack called DOS attack, and it stands for denial of service. DOS attack, denial of service attack. We open the command prompt and then use the command ping as we have studied before. Then you type the target website, Google website, then I will press enter. As see here, we have pinged the website google.com. We have discovered its IP address, and we have pinged the Google website with 32 bytes of data. So we have sent 4 packets, and you see here it is information. We have sent 4 packets and we have received 3. 1 is lost, and every packet was at 32 bytes. And so to attack a website, we ping it with lots of packets, and we ping it a lot. So we type ping here, then we type -t, so it will ping it. We'll send that target unlimited packets. We won't send it just 4 packets. You type -t, then -l, then you type here 65500. Then we type the target websites. For example, here is google.com. So we press enter. So then we start pinging the website. We start sending packets to the target website. So this will stack the server of that website. So receiving lots of packets will make the server heavy, so it become out of service. So here we have a slow net, so it won't work a lot. So if you have a fast internet, you can try it, you can check it. And now we'll cancel this operation. We press Ctrl+C. Then also understand, when you just do this, when you ping the website can discover your IP address. And also, to defend yourself against these types of attacks, you can use a DOS attack prevention service. For example, there are some websites that provide service against DOS attacks, that can prevent websites against DOS attacks, denial of service attacks. For example, here we have a website called Cloudflare. So this attack provides services for websites, and can also defend a website against the denial of service attacks. So this is how you defend. So this is how you attack websites, the command prompt, and how you defend yourself and how you defend your website to this kind of attacks.